Good morning. Hello. We're in our car. Do you know today it is raining? Can you believe it? It is wet. I guess it's still wet season here though. So it's...
And we are in a tropical area.
Tropical. Yes, it is wet season. We're just waiting in the car for Meg. We're going to go out to breakfast and then we're going to hit a market.
Again.
Another market, and then we'll see where the rest of the day.
And probably have 3 showers in between.
Oh, this morning was like, I woke up like sticky. Excuse me, what are you doing? Just come in.
Thanks, guys.
Good morning!
How are we?
What we got for breakfast. I got a croissant. James got hot cross bun French toast.
It's beautiful.
Look
It's
at
amazing.
that. Coffee good?
Coffee's great.
Meg got bacon and eggs, but it looks fantastic. Lots of bacon. Alright, I'm gonna demolish this now. Another day, another market, another lassie. Today is banana strawberry. James?
Mango banana.
Delicious. These need to be existing in Melbourne because the honey to yogurt combination is very delicious. I also bought some earrings. Gum nut seed earrings. Very pretty. Can you believe it is pissing down with rain? We just went for a walk down the Nightcliff jetty and we had to turn back because it was like pissing down.
It went from being nice to drenching.
Yeah, but it's still hot. It's hot, it's just like
Yeah, it's
raining.
currently 29 degrees.
So now it's like super humid and I'm all like sticky. We were just talking about how it's very like Hawaii-esque here. And houses like on, you know, cyclone proof or hurricane proof or whatever. But I kept thinking about like what movie it reminded me of. And I think, you know, like something like this. Like, you know, like 50 First Dates? Like, you know, when she's like, okay, that's Hawaii. That's what this place reminds me of. This is the song.
It's more of a suburban Hawaii.
This is the song we're going to be singing all the way. We're going to go to the waterfront now, which is like the touristy area, and go check out that area. This is the waterfront. So there's a wave pool just there and everything's free. And you just come and sit on the fake lagoon. How cool is that? Update. The lagoon was not free. You had to pay $7.
Yeah, whoops.
But the beach was
$7
free.
still not bad.
So maybe we'll do that. Anyway, we just bought our first souvenir. James bought a magnet. And
Gotta get the...
I bought a fan. Because can you tell that I'm dying in this heat? Now we're going to go to the tunnels. So
It's been
there's
recommended by a few people.
the oil tunnels.
Ange and I are at the waterfront area here in Darwin. It's raining, but we're going to get wet anyway, and we're making the most of it. There's Ange now, trying her efforts at swimming. So we'll see how long we last here. And I should probably put the camera away now before it starts working in the rain.
It is raining, like full raining. And I know it's wet season, I get it. But I was not expecting,
Very rude.
I wasn't expecting to be rained on. We were swam in the free beach, and now we're just sitting at the pub waiting for the footy because Carlton's playing soon.
That was much nicer than being out of the water.
Yes. No, the water was warm, but
Yeah.
it was just like absolutely pissing down. So we sit here, wait for Meg, have a gin tail, delicious. We've ordered 3 Palmers, so we'll have to tell you our rating of the Palmers in Northern Territory. You know who you are, those Palmer connoisseurs out there.
Palmy.
Is it a Palmy here?
Palmy here. Yeah.
Ah.
That was
Disappointing. We'll update you on our Palmy situation. The waitress can stand corrected because it is Palmer on the menu. So,
Who's wrong now?
wrong. Not bad on presentation, I'll say that. Didn't have to wait 40 minutes. Footy. Also, we've moved. Had to get a bigger table. Yummy. Hello. Long time no chat. We had our Palmer and we watched the footy and finished with Carlton winning. Woo! And then we just made our way back to the hotel because we are stuffed. We were there most of the day. So we're going to sit on our little balcony and go to bed. We were just looking at what we're going to do tomorrow. We might hit the history side of Darwin tomorrow, which will be nice. Do something a little bit different.
A couple of museums.
Yeah, might do some museums
Nice.
tomorrow. We are actually checking out of this hotel and going to another one, so you'll see that as well. Alright, checking out. James.
See you guys tomorrow.